Bullish stepn cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.82 and $3.97 by 2030. Market examiners accept GMT could reach $1.82 by 2025. Bearish stepn market cost expectation for 2022 is 32 cents. stepn presentation. As we probably are aware, this video is about stepn cost forecast. On the whole, we should view the fundamental presentation of this cash on the off chance that you need a decent profit from your productive speculation from it. stepn, the main NFT drive in view of the transition to procure idea, is a sound way of life application with social money and play to procure perspectives. Jerry Huang and Yan Rong, two Australian programming designers, helped to establish stepn in August 2021. stepn won the 2021 Solana Start Hacking Rivalry prior to getting a $5 million financing round from private value behemoth Sequoia Capital. The green metaverse token, the stepn's administration token, was made accessible on Solana in WAC 2022. Holders of GMT can propose and settle on project headways and depository circulation prior to making a stepn cost. We look at what is GMT. What's more, stepn specialized in crucial investigation. How about we check it out? What is stepn? stepn is a Web3 move to procure portable application with parts for social and gaming finance. Find Satoshi Lab, an Australian fintech studio, is the gathering behind stepn. The undertaking chips away at the Solana blockchain, and its center thought relies upon moving around, which is a great many people's regular action. At the 2021 Solana Start Hackathon, stepn wrapped the second place and was the principal venture to incorporate the move to procure idea practically. The objective of the game part of stepn is to urge a great many clients to take on a better way of life, battle environmental change, and abstain from driving high-discharge cars. Then again, the social money part of stepn means to foster a stage that advances client-produced Web3 content. stepn utilizes a two-layered symbolic framework. GMT and GST are the two sorts of tokens accessible in the environment, and each can be obtained in an unexpected way. stepn specialized investigation. The stepn token's value forecast is undeniably founded on an itemized assessment of its value diagram and specialized investigation, taking into account both the ongoing cost and verifiable patterns of the cryptographic money. While inspecting the pattern lines, the costs have transcended the 200 mama line. The vertical gouache pattern line in the specialized examination is the most probable pattern after such a breakout, with the GMT value starting in market cap to challenge its new opposition levels. These investigations are cheery regardless of whether there is an overall feeling of a bear market that could pervade the crypto business. The stepn money and the typical cost are supposed to recuperate substantially more quickly than the in general crypto market cap, giving financial backers tremendous additions on both short and long-haul possessions. Moreover, you should decide the sort of help and opposition levels that stepn cost conjecture experiences to make arrangements for its future. The flat opposition can be recognized by how frequently the GMT esteem rises and falls during a vertical push. stepn central investigation. Brokers utilize specialized investigation to zero in on a resource's presentation, habitually down to the moment on exchanging diagrams, though major examination does the specific opposite. Exchanges are zoomed out. This gives them a complete information and comprehension of the resource and the association that upholds it. The real worth of a resource is what crucial examination expects to recognize. For instance, by considering various inside and outer standards, you might decide if a digital currency is overrated. You have without a doubt heard the maxim, put resources into individuals, not items. This citation basically catches the principal thought of the essential investigation. Financial backers that stick to central investigation contend that the primary indicator of a resource's future presentation is the organization's solidarity. For financial backers looking to buy cheap resources, this is a magnificent strategy. There are many offers for GMT according to authentic information. The offer is improved in light of the fact that it isn't covered. The whole mining environment knows about the advantages of keeping up with the organization. There is no hurry to get to an asserted hard cap at this moment. Possibilities for the web are settled accordingly. Along these lines, the worth of stepn can increment, further guaranteeing environment development. More stepn can be gotten to keep the environment working accurately. stepn use is supposed to develop yearly, raising the cash's worth. stepn current cost. stepn is right now worth 40 cents USD. GMT has moved 1.48% as of now with an exchanging volume of $51,815,698. STEPN is right now positioned 107 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $242,901,536 USD. STEPN Value Forecast 2022. STEPN, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The GMT cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 60 cents. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 56 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. GMT is supposed to have a base worth of 48 cents. STEPN Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, STEPN GMT cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of GMT will before long outperform $1.01. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the GMT's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, GMT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 80 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 89 cents. STEPN Value Forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.42 and GMT might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. GMT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.30 and a low of $1.21 in 2024. STEPN Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that STEPN effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the GMT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, GMT will be green in 2025. The GMT is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $1.82, with a base cost of $1.62 and a typical cost of $1.70. STEPN Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the GMT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.11 by 2026, with a base cost of $2.02 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, GMT has a most extreme value worth of $2.23. STEPN Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.51. On the off chance that GMT figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.63. Neglecting to accumulate the help GMT needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $2.43. STEPN Value Forecast 2028. While GMT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $2.83 and a yearly cost close above $3.04 in 2028. STEPN Value Forecast 2029. By 2029,